Part 2, Beauty Tips by Oliver Goldsmith. A word about the essay. Goldsmith's essay, as I told you, you have Beauty Tips and the Man in Black prescribed mostly. As I told you, that he offers a very good character sketch of the subject. His minute observations on man and human nature are phenomenal. The characterization of the essay, Beautifs and those of vagabonds, are highly impressive for minute observation. This essay is an example of his art of characterization. Again, you don't need to wonder why is he offering this character sketch? What is his motive behind offering just a character sketch as an essay? There are several reasons. You see, a writer is always impressed by the society around him. So if he is seriously concerned, he would, through the particular subject, try to tell you something more about his times, about the social behavior of his times, and about the need to bring about a change for the better. Citizen of the World is a collection of his works, which is a series of whimsical or satirical comments on English life and manners, with character sketches and episodes strung on a slender thread of the narrative. The best known character sketches Goldsmith offers are those of the Man in Black, a covert philanthropist, and Beautips, an affected non-entity who claims acquaintance with the great. This you will see as you go through the essay in detail. Here is a summary of the essay. Goldsmith, though a thinker, is fond of jolly company. In order to divert his attention, he often goes to places of entertainment. There he shouts and condemns as others do. After lightening his heart and mind, he goes on for serious work. One evening, the author and his friend were for a walk, and they were gazing on the passers by and were commenting on their dress. Suddenly, the friend urged the author to turn to the right and then to the left, as if to avoid somebody who was pursuing them. The pursuer was Tibbs, who looked dull and thin. He was wearing a black ribbon around his neck, and his chest buckle was decorated with glass, and the coat was old. He was having a sword with him. His silk stockings was yellow and dirty. He looked like a poor man. Beautips finally gets to meet this person. Then they have to allow him to accompany him on their walk, and he behaves as if he was a close acquaintance with great lords and ladies. Uh, he also flaunts that he has been close to them. He has had dinner with them, and they were good natured, and they always favored him. And finally, after behaving as if he was in very good company, he had in rich company, and he had good acquaintances, he ends up by demanding some money as usual, which is why you understand uh, the protagonist was avoiding him. And the final summary is that people tend to pretend a lot, and they are not even aware of the outcome of living such an artificial life. For some of you, I'll repeat the same in Hindi, but you'll have to go back home, read the essay thoroughly, read it 3 times at least, try to answer the comprehension questions. Only then you will be able to comprehend the detail in detail this particular essay. गोल्डस्मिथ के बारे में मैंने काफी कुछ कहा है. ही वॉज अ थिंकर, जॉली कंपनी पसंद था, तो इस एसे में डिस्क्रिप्शन है ऑथर एंड उसके मित्र जो है वो कहीं पार्क में घूमने जा रहे हैं और टाइम पास करते हैं. उसी वक्त अचानक किसी को देखकर ऑथर जो है वो डर से जाते हैं और उसको अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन फाइनली वो उनसे सामना हो ही जाता है. तो वो व्यक्ति कुछ समय इनके साथ स्पेंड करता है, जिसमें वो अपने बहुत पैसे वालों के साथ, अमीरों के साथ, प्रिविलेज लोगों के साथ होने का दावा करता है और अपनी शान में कई बातें कहता है, लेकिन उन सब बातों का अंत ये होता है कि एज यूजुअल वो ऑथर से कुछ पैसे मांगता है. तो फाइनली इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों हुई, इस पर ये ऐसे एंड होता है, जो इस ऐसे को इतना इंटरेस्टिंग बना देता है.